How to log in into YouTube Kids account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your YouTube Kids account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your app store and simply search for YouTube Kids. After you find YouTube Kids, you can simply install it. After you install it, open it up. And after you open it up, this will be the first interface for your YouTube Kids.
Welcome to YouTube Kids. Get a grown-up's help.
Now you can set up your account by simply skipping through this process. You will see show videos. You can tap on next, choose your Gmail account and then tap on sign in. After you tap on sign in, you will need to just give the parental consent. And after you do that, you will need to confirm using your password. Type in your password here and hit enter, and after you do that, you will get logged in into your YouTube Kids account, and it's that simple, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.